The platform offers a variety of order types that you can use to enter or exit the market. Different types of orders give you the ability to implement different trading strategies. They also allow you to manage your account without having to constantly monitor the markets. The new order ticket can be activated directly from the quotes panel by right-clicking or double-clicking the instruments field, or by clicking the corresponding button on the trading toolbar. No matter if it's a market, limit, or a stop order, placing a new trade is fast and straightforward. You just have to choose the type of order you want to place, enter the quantity you wish to buy or sell, and confirm the trade. To make things even more flexible, there is the option of opening the traded instruments chart on the right side of the new order ticket.